Why DevOps and SRE training is important for current-day job market. DevOps remains crucial in the 2025 job market due to surging demand for roles like DevOps engineers, 36.7% of postings, SREs, 18.7%, and platform engineers, driven by cloud adoption and automation needs. Organizations prioritize faster software delivery through CI/CD, Kubernetes, and Terraform, aligning with your expertise in AWS and Azure clouds. Cloud-native shifts boost needs for AWS Azure specialists, with freshers and pros seeing 12% salary growth. DevOps and SRE roadmaps provide structured paths to master automation, reliability, and cloud-native practices. This proven roadmap equips you to ace DevOps and SRE interviews with confidence. Begin with Linux administration fundamentals. Self-learning is straightforward thanks to abundant free video tutorials available online. Linux forms the backbone of DevOps and SRE roles, enabling command-line proficiency for automation and troubleshooting. Focus on key areas like file systems, processes, users, permissions, networking, and scripting. Next, dive into cloud platforms. Begin with either AWS or Azure, as market demands often span multi-cloud environments, allowing flexibility in your starting point. Why cloud next? Because cloud expertise builds directly on Linux skills for managing scalable infrastructure, aligning with your advanced Kubernetes and Terraform background. Next, tackle DevOps practices. This stage stands out as the cornerstone of the entire roadmap. DevOps integrates automation, CI/CD, and collaboration, forming the bridge from Linux cloud foundations to advanced SRE roles in production environments. Familiarize yourself with these essential tools: Git for version control, Terraform for infrastructure as code, Docker for building containerized applications, Ansible for configuration management, Jenkins and Azure DevOps for CI/CD pipelines, and basic Python for scripting tasks. Following is the tools breakdown. Git tracks code changes and enables collaborative development. Terraform automates infrastructure provisioning across clouds like Azure. Docker packages apps into portable containers for consistent environments. Ansible manages server configurations without agents. Jenkins, Azure DevOps, orchestrates build, test, and deployment pipelines. Python handles custom scripts for automation and integration. Next, expand to a second cloud platform. If you began with AWS, prioritize Azure or vice versa to strengthen your CV and qualify for 9 out of 10 job openings. Dual cloud proficiency signals versatility for hybrid environments, boosting shortlisting rates amid market demands for AWS Azure specialists. Conclude with hands-on Kubernetes mastery. Kubernetes proves essential as companies increasingly adopt microservices architectures for scalable deployments. Why Kubernetes last? Because it integrates all prior skills, Linux, cloud, DevOps tools, into orchestrating containerized apps at scale, aligning with your AKS and K3S expertise. With above knowledge, UCV is a robust and can clear any DevOps and SRE interviews. This kind of in-depth Kubernetes knowledge can be acquired from DevOps training, starting from January 5th, 7 a.m. by Sriharsha Virapalli. Please visit https://www.sriharshav.com for more meeting details.